Hello, good morning. My name is Vargas. I am 40 years old. I am 40 the city, Bogota. I live in the neighborhood 41. I am in the Independence Market. I have a laundry in the Gala neighborhood. My hobbies are playing soccer, watching television, and video games. I like my wife. I don't have children. I am an economy student, the first level. My favorite food is sushi. My favorite television program is a soccer channel. My favorite sport is soccer. My daily routine is I go up at 6 in the morning. Use a bathroom, eat a breakfast, and go to my place of work. There is an interest 6 in the evening and 8 in the next study. Thank you.